we were mistreated in the name of Winda, but it's not like we revolted and killed all humans or anything. Mostly because they handled that just fine all by themselves.